So, but back here at home, Brian, what do we need to know as we continue to plan out our week?
Yeah, we got a little bit of a break from the stormy weather, but it does come back over the next couple of days, so it's something we'll be watching out for. Nothing really terribly impactful as of yet, but we're still fine-tuning the forecast. We'll let you know if we have any impact days coming up. In the meantime, today's a beautiful day. Warm, but not terribly humid at all. In fact, dew points are down where it actually feels a little cool out when you first step outside this morning. We'll have a chance for storms returning as early as tomorrow. Coverage should be pretty low, but it will step up for Thursday. We're also checking in on the tropics. We got two areas that we are watching closely, and either one of those could produce a tropical depression this week, so we're watching out for that too. Starting out though with temperatures, mid-50s near the Virginia border this morning, lower 50s from Stewart to Martinsville, and mid-50s west. Most of Triad locations are in the lower 60s this morning, so pretty comfortable there. Dew points are nice. We haven't had air like this in place for a while. We've dried things out considerably. Sitting in the mid-50s feels very comfortable early on today, and very few clouds, much less rain in the general vicinity. East Coast is pretty quiet. Speaking of Illinois and Indiana, we still have flooding going on near that border, and continue to see some drier weather. Hopefully they'll start to restore power in those areas pretty soon that are without. Temperatures today, mid-80s for highs, a light breeze out of the northeast at 5. Skies are predominantly sunny, just a few passing clouds here and there. A little bit in the morning, perhaps a few more when temperatures peak in the afternoon. Farther west in the foothills of Surrey, at Stokes, Yadkin, and Wilkes counties, high temperatures in the lower 80s. A beautiful August day with a light breeze expected. Mountain temperatures maybe upper 70s. I think we'll at least get into the mid-70s today. Northwest winds at 5 and mainly sunny skies. So let's step ahead in time. Again, you see those passing clouds coming by. Temperatures in the mid-80s this afternoon. Not a drop of rain to be had. Evening and overnight hours, we're actually going to be pretty comfortable into tomorrow morning too. We'll start out in the 50s and 60s. But as winds begin to shift a bit and start to bring some moisture in, the humidity begins to increase. And when you heat that air up, it does become a little unstable and can produce some storms. And you can see spotty coverage in your Wednesday afternoon, more likely going to be in our western counties. Triad only has a 20% rain chance tomorrow, but it's up to 30 or 40 farther west, especially once we get into Wednesday evening. And then a boundary starts to slip in Thursday, the beginning of several, and that's going to bring more widespread coverage of showers and storms starting Thursday afternoon and continuing into Thursday evening. This is when things get interesting because we're hopeful that we can actually get some breaks in the clouds because we have a full moon and a lunar eclipse, almost a total lunar eclipse. This gets going about 9:24 p.m. on Thursday before the moon starts to move into the outer shadow of the Earth. The partial eclipse begins when the moon begins to disappear about 10:30 or so. About 11:15, the moon is about half has disappeared into the darkness, and only 4% of the moonlight will remain just after midnight early Friday morning. It's 96% eclipse. It's not total, but it's close as you're going to get without it being that way. And then the moon starts to come out of the shadow during the overnight hours, and this thing is over by 3 o'clock in the morning. So if you want to stay up late, the clouds are going to provide the challenge. Shouldn't be much rain around. The tropics are getting active again, and I'm out of time, so we're going to talk about that coming up a little bit later. I'll leave you with a 7-day forecast. Temperatures do start to warm up, though, once we get back into next week.